Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the Legofy filter on Instagram. Really easy and simple to do. So first things first, you just want to head over to your Instagram application and open that up. Then you just want to go to your search tab and you want to search for an account called GU_Christopher. You want to go on his page right here and head over to filters, and as you click on filters, there is the Legofy filter. And like all filters, you could either try it out here or you could save it to your camera roll and try it again later. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.